Non-animal methods are crucial because they offer ethical system, obviously. But I think that the most important is that the implementations of NAMs in the regulation give us the opportunity to take into consideration science progress and offer the opportunity to enhance the methods to assess risk. Currently, there are several endpoints or effects for which in vivo tests are not relevant, and using new methods will permit to fill these gaps and shortcomings to be more protective for the environment and human health. We will produce recommendations that will be disseminated in the form of a white paper to be presented at the final NAMWISE workshop in the late spring 2027. The most important deliverable of the project is the partner forum and the NAM community that we will gather and devise a specific space for exchange between them with this forum. The ultimate goal of the project is to shape this NAM network that will constitute the afterlife of the project and enhance the exchange of information on emerging NAM and encourage the validation and harmonization of the methods and tools. Then the requirement of risk assessor, risk managers can be better met. The first step of the project is to gather the knowledge in terms of NAM's methods and NAM data for chemicals and pharmaceutical sector to sustain and amplify the momentum built by similar initiatives. We will elaborate different mappings related to NAM-rich data, methods, decision-making process, and trainings. And this collected data will be used by the other work packages. The other work package is dedicated to the analysis of NAM success story and failures to identify shortcomings and advantages, commonalities, and difference across the regulations. And we have a specific task dedicated to the assessment of economical implications to move away from in vivo to NAM. The other work package is dedicated to regulatory risk assessment. That it means that it is dedicated to the regulators or the expert. We plan to design 4 types of case study dedicated to hazard assessment, point of departure, next generation risk assessment, and pharmaceutical safety and efficacy. The objective is to provide a concrete guidance and case studies that will be disseminated on how effectively the expert can use NAMs for the assessment of the safety and efficacy of pharmaceutical and the safety of chemicals. We have a specific work package dedicated to the validation and standardization of NAMs methods. In this work package, we explore solutions to support validation and standardization, and we raise questions about the business model on validation, and we exemplify this with paper that is one of the partners of our consortium. And finally, we have the work package dedicated to the communication of the project and the dissemination of our data and recommendations. And there is a specific task in this work package dedicated to the training and the dissemination of the training for CROs and students.